You're counting down the weeks, or maybe even the days, and the big moment is almost here. But before you head to the hospital, there's one super important task that often gets overlooked until the last minute: packing your hospital bag. So, what do you really need to bring? And what can you totally skip? Stick around, because we're breaking down exactly what to pack in your hospital bag, USA style. Welcome back to Newborn Care Guide, the channel where we help you navigate those exciting and overwhelming early days of parenting. Today, we're tackling one of the most common questions expecting parents in the US ask: what should I pack in my hospital bag? Whether you're a first-time parent or just need a refresher, this video will help you feel confident and prepared when it's go time. Let's start with the basics. When should you pack? Ideally, by 36 weeks. If you're having twins or have a higher risk for early delivery, pack even sooner. Trust me, you don't want to be throwing things into a bag during contractions. Now let's break your bag down into 3 categories: mom, baby, and partner. 1. For mom. Comfort and essential photo ID and insurance card. Yes, hospitals will ask, even if you're in labor. Make sure your ID, insurance info, and any hospital paperwork are easily accessible. Birth plan. If you've created a birth plan, bring a couple of printed copies to share with your nurses and doctor. Comfortable clothing. Pack a loose-fitting robe, nursing-friendly pajamas, and a going-home outfit that's comfy. Think maternity leggings and a stretchy top. You probably won't want anything tight or fancy. Toiletries. Hospitals provide basics, but you'll feel more human with your own toothbrush, hairbrush, face wipes, lip balm, and shampoo. Don't forget deodorant. Labor is sweaty business. Maternity pads and adult diapers. Hospitals provide giant pads, but many moms prefer to bring their own. Some even swear by adult diapers like Always Discreet or Depends for extra comfort. Nursing bras and nipple cream. If you're planning to breastfeed, bring 2 nursing bras and some lanolin cream to soothe those early nursing pains. Slippers and non-skid socks. You'll be walking around, so bring something cozy and safe for hospital floors. Snacks and a water bottle. Labor and recovery can make you ravenous. Pack protein bars, trail mix, or whatever snacks you crave. A large, refillable water bottle is also a lifesaver. Phone charger. With an extra long cord, hospital outlets are never where you want them to be. A 6 to 10 foot cord will keep you connected. 2. For baby. The essentials only going home outfit. Keep it simple: a soft onesie, hat, and socks. Consider the season. Bring a cozy blanket or jacket for winter babies. Car seat. This is non-negotiable in the US. You can't leave the hospital without one properly installed. Many hospitals even check for correct installation before discharge. Pediatrician info. You'll be asked for your baby's doctor shortly after birth, so have the name and contact info ready. Optional. Swaddle or baby blanket. Hospitals usually provide these, but some parents prefer to bring their own for photos or comfort. Skip the diapers, wipes, and formula. Hospitals in the US provide plenty of those while you're there. 3. For partner. Be the MVP. Change of clothes. Labor can be long. 1 or 2 outfits, plus a hoodie or jacket. Hospitals are cold. Toiletries. Just the basics: toothbrush, deodorant, and maybe some dry shampoo. Pillow and blanket. Hospital pull-out chairs are not exactly 5-star. A pillow from home can go a long way. Entertainment. Books, headphones, or a tablet, something to help pass the time during early labor or while the baby sleeps. Snacks and drinks. Pack favorites that don't need refrigeration. It's better than vending machine food at 3 a.m. Feeling more prepared? If this checklist helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips from Newborn Care Guide. We've got tons of upcoming videos to help you navigate life with a newborn, from diapering 101 to surviving those first sleepless nights. Your hospital stay will be one of the most unforgettable experiences of your life. With the right hospital bag, you'll feel just a little more in control and a lot more comfortable. Remember, less is more. Focus on the essentials, and you'll do just fine. Thanks for watching Newborn Care Guide, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and enjoy those baby kicks while they last.